Sunday, November 7th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Nothing special today. I'm just completing the backyard playlist. Do some light work in this area. Cut the grass. Then later I'll talk about what to expect for next year. Let's look at the rose bushes. Nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, they filled out very well. If you were following the front yard playlist, you know I won't be bringing the chrysanthemums back next year, like the saucers, like the pots, but the plants have to go. Now over here by the gate, things will be a lot different next year. I actually hope to turn into a fence by then. The white petal plants will grow healthier, fuller, stronger. Salvias will be gone. This will look a lot different. And by the way, I plan on leveling the backyard. Got a lot of lumps, so I have to do something about that. I'm sure I'll keep the lounger. I don't sit on it too much though. As for the furniture, could replace it. The mulch, wouldn't mind building a deck. All right, time to cut some grass. Let's get it out the way. Would help if I had some gas. This would be my last cut, so I don't want to put too much in it. It's going to be sitting for a while. I don't think you can see the bugs as I cut the grass. They start flying around when I'm doing this. I bought some stuff to take care of that issue. Won't be using it till next year though. I'll trim along the edger, clean up the marble chip bed, take care of the mulch, and then finish up over here. Come next year, this will be a thing of the past. I shouldn't have to do this anymore. Reason is, not only will I level the backyard, but I'll come down an inch or two. That way I don't have to worry about clippings getting into the mulch bed or the rocks when I cut the grass. I'm just tired of this way. Almost forgot, I have to trim around the plants and flowers. And of course, to do this, you know I'll be using my Works trimmer edger. I highly recommend it if you don't have one. Don't forget your blower. I put it on the first setting to get rid of grass clippings and leaves. Does a great job. Has some good power to it too. I highly recommend it as well. Almost finished, just a little more work to go, and then we'll wrap things up. I might be wasting my time. All my hard work will go unnoticed. I got a tree with a bunch of leaves. The wind's gonna blow, and you know how this is gonna end. But oh well, I started it, so I have to finish. It'll look fresh back here for a while. So let's finish up. You know what I'll do? I'll keep the dirt that's in the pot, remove the chrysanthemums, and this thing will be ready to go next year. One last rinse, and this should be it. That'll be it for the backyard playlist. I plan on adding 4 more videos just to have an even number with the front yard playlist. Look out for those, okay? So what did we accomplish? For starters, how about the red rose bushes? Great addition. Glad I planted them. They look wonderful. This is what you want to see. Don't forget the marble chips. Love it, love it, love it. Patio lights, security cameras. We did it. And we did a good job. I figured out that I could plant along the gate, and what I'll do next year is take the bushes, plant along this area. I want to remove the gate, put a fence in, level the yard, drop it an inch. Oh yeah, big things. I'll put 3 rose bushes along that gate though. And those videos I plan on including will be real short. Well, you guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Thanks for the support. Bye.